Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X6 trunk manually. First, it's important to understand why you might need to do this, perhaps due to a power issue or a faulty latch. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and completely off before attempting any manual operations. We'll start by accessing the vehicle's interior to prepare for the next steps. Once inside your BMW X6, you'll need to locate the emergency trunk release. This vital safety feature is typically found on the inside of the trunk lid itself. Look for a small handle or lever, which is often designed to glow in the dark for visibility in low light. It's usually colored bright orange or yellow, making it easy to spot in an emergency. With the emergency release handle located, the next step is to activate it. Firmly pull the handle towards you. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the trunk latch has successfully disengaged. Once you hear that sound, you can gently lift the trunk lid open. Remember, this mechanism is designed for emergencies, so a firm but controlled pull is usually all that's needed. After successfully opening your BMW X6 trunk manually, it's crucial to investigate why the automatic system failed. Often, a dead battery or a blown fuse is the culprit, so check those first. If the problem persists, or if you're unsure about the cause, it's always best to consult a qualified BMW service professional. They can diagnose and repair the issue properly, ensuring your trunk operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.